Minor tweaks, simple adjustments with big impact. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting phrase, minor tweaks. This term is commonly used in everyday English and can be quite useful in various contexts. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it effectively. Minor tweaks refers to small adjustments or changes made to improve something. The word minor implies that these changes are not significant or large-scale. Meanwhile, tweaks are subtle alterations or fine-tuning actions. This phrase is often used in contexts where slight modifications can lead to better results or performance. To grasp this concept better, let's look at some examples. 1. In technology, a software developer might make minor tweaks to a program to enhance its speed or fix minor bugs. 2. In everyday life, adjusting the seasoning in a recipe or the positioning of furniture in a room can also be considered minor tweaks. 3. In business, a manager might suggest minor tweaks to a marketing strategy to improve its effectiveness. Understanding synonyms can broaden your usage of this phrase. Some similar terms include fine-tuning, small adjustments, minor modifications. These phrases can be used interchangeably depending on the context. Minor tweaks are all about making small but impactful changes. Whether it's in your daily life, at work, or in any project, understanding and using this phrase can help you communicate more effectively. We hope this video has been enlightening. Keep practicing, and see how you can apply minor tweaks in your language learning journey.